Frank, the idea of legalizing marijuana has been debated for years, but today a state lawmaker brought the idea to the state legislature to do just that. Assemblyman Tom Ammiano says there are many reasons to legalize the sale of marijuana. One of the biggest is simple economics. Legalizing and taxing marijuana could save California billions of dollars.
We know that the marijuana industry probably nets in California alone $14 billion. That's $1 billion. That goes up in smoke, literally.
Ammiano suggests a $50 per ounce tax could bring in $1 billion a year in additional revenue. The director of California's Drug Policy Alliance said 74,000 people were arrested in California for marijuana crimes in 2007, most of them misdemeanor offenses that clogged the state's criminal justice system.
Marijuana prohibition has failed. It has made marijuana more available, handed a lucrative business over to criminal associations that they are willing to kill for.
Ammiano's proposal would prohibit sales to anyone under 21 years old and require a license for businesses selling pot.
This bill looks at modeling after the alcohol control system. You don't see people standing on the side of the street selling cans of beer.
At Oakland's Oaksterdam University, students learn the business of marijuana. 1,200 students have graduated here. The school president says communities that might be against marijuana sales shouldn't have to participate.
I could see different localities doing it different ways, just as you have wet and dry counties in some states, where some areas allow sales of liquor and others do not.
Oakland's Harborside Health Center says it has 20,000 clients who now purchase marijuana for medical reasons. The director says all of its marijuana undergoes lab tests before it's sold, and if legalized, the state should follow similar procedures.
It's really critical, I think, that any substance designed for human consumption, you need to test it, you need to know what's in it.
Ammiano's bill will undoubtedly face stiff opposition in Sacramento. The state attorney general and the U.S. attorney in San Francisco did not respond to our calls, but a California police group called it a bad idea. How does the public feel about legalizing pot?
I don't know that people actually die from it, but they get killed for it.
It doesn't make sense. I mean, like a pack of cigarettes you can walk in and buy, nah, it'll never happen.
There are many roadblocks standing in the way to legalizing marijuana in California, chief among them federal law, which doesn't even recognize Prop 215, the right to smoke medical marijuana in California. Still, supporters say they're going to push this idea forward with hopes that the new administration in Washington will be more tolerant. Live in San Francisco, Ken Wayne, KTVU Channel 2 News.